Good morning, children. So we saw the lesson keeping our earth clean, isn't it? So here, what is the how we are polluting the air? What is meant by forestation? What is meant by afforestation? What is meant by afforestation? Planting more trees are known as forestation, isn't it? So what is meant by deforestation? Cutting down the trees are known as deforestation. Okay. So how we are polluting the land? So then water, how we are polluting our water, isn't it? Then today we'll see how we pollute the land. Okay. So land pollution, when harmful substance is mixed in the soil, it causes destruction of earth. Okay. This is known as land pollution. So like the domestic industries and agriculture uses plastics, insecticides, pesticides, பூச்சிக்கொல்லி மருந்து இல்லையா. ஸோ this type of using lot amount of insecticides, pesticides, it might pollute the land. Okay. Then how to prevent land pollution? So we can plant more trees. Okay. So this will trees will keep the soil firm and to stand firmly, and do not allow the harmful things to get into the soil. So waste should be disposed properly. So what you have to do? The waste products should be disposed properly. What should not you do means, should not throw the waste. Don't throw the waste papers like plastic papers. It will be very harm to the soil. So it may not make fertile. Fertile means uram. Okay. So types of waste. So types of waste are two types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means the people fruit peel, okay, paper, wood. This might change into manure, okay. But non-biodegradable, so these are known as biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means plastics, rubber, glass. This may not decomposed. Decompose means உரமாக்கப்படும் மக்குதல். Okay. It will not decompose. Here the fruit peel, paper would decompose. Okay. So that it improves the plant growth. See non-biodegradable. Okay. Plastics, polythene, rubbers, glass, these are known as non-biodegradable. So impact of pollution on wildlife. So how it has been impacted? Okay. Living or animals living in the forest are known as wild animals, isn't it? So wild animals are depend on trees for their survival, isn't it? Animals like monkey, koala bears, they spend their lives on the trees. Forest if the forest has been destructed to create cities, towns and factories, what will happen? The animals lost their home, isn't it? If the deforestation continues to happen, these animals will lose their home, isn't it? Then many animals depend on plants for their food. So they association between plants and animals, like a food chain. If any of the plants are animals are plants are lost, it will impact the food chain, and it causes other animals to die. So animals are dependent on water, lakes and rivers to quench their thirst. Quench means thagam. If we continue to pollute the river or lake, it is harmful to the wild animals, so that it might be extinct. So what are the three uses? Reduce, reuse or recycles. So you have to use these three slogans. So these are the three waste management. Reduce means natural resources like you conserve. For example, paper is obtained from trees. We can reduce this use of paper by using it both side. Okay. You can use the paper both side and taking printers only when required. Okay. Print out You can take print out when you require. This we are wisely using the natural resources. Reuse, one can reuse the materials or donate them for use by others. For example, plastic can be used to make various colorful and useful objects like pencil stand, plant vase, and fruit bowl. So recycle means that can be recycled for fresh use. Uh, for example, paper can be recycled. So waste like fruit peel, paper, wood can be decomposed or rotten easily. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Okay. Then waste like plastic, polythene, rubber, and glass can decompose or rot. False. Animals living in forests are known as pet animals. False. Animals living in forests are known as wild animals. Forests are being destroyed to create cities and factories. True. Animals are depend on water from lakes, rivers to quench their thirst. True. So children, I hope you understand. Try to write this true or false in your classwork note. Thank you children.